Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to replace the flush handle on a toilet. The tool you will need is a wrench, preferably an adjustable one that can get to a decent size. The first thing you will need to do is remove the tank lid and put it in a safe place. The second thing you'll need to do is turn the nut the opposite way that you would usually turn it, because these are threaded a different way. Some handles are just hand tight, or some of the nuts are just hand tight, so you won't even need to turn them with a wrench. Then unhook the flapper from the handle and I guess just drop it in the tank. Then finish taking the nut off. And just slide the handle on through that hole. Then with your new handle, you'll need to take the nut off. And just slide it through this hole, pointing like this, then guide it around like that, and it's in. Then put the nut on the end with this side facing the tank, and just slide it up the shaft and onto the screw. Then tighten it down. I usually prefer to do it hand tight because there's really no reason to tighten it with a wrench. And then you may need to adjust the flapper. So how you do this is, if I can find a place to put that. Cannot find a safe place to put this. Then, so just remove the chain from the hook. Then pull the chain up and see which link is about the hook's distance from the handle. I would go with about like this. So then you'll want to hook it back on. And slide it through the first hole, or whichever hole you want, on the handle. Then you'll want to flush and see if it works. And with this one, a little bit of the chain got caught under it. So just hook that around this piece here. And then over the edge. And now put your tank lid back on and admire your work. If you have any questions or comments on how to do this, or what troubles you may have, please let me know in the comments, and I'll try my best to guide you on what to do. Thanks for watching.